At this stage, we have 2 layers done and edge pieces of the cross correctly meshed. Luckily, there are also 2 corners with correct green facings, so just 2 more need to be flipped. Sometimes we are unlucky and have only a cross, so flipping the other 4 corners require more work. In this demo, we shall do the lucky case, but the principles are the same for both cases. All actions start from this corner, so hold the cube steady and turn layers carefully. Say push 1, push 2, push 3, push 4, push 5, push 6, push 7, push 8. The corner piece top face is fixed. Rotate the top layer and work on the other remaining corner piece. Say push 1, push 2, push 3, push 4. It was fixed in just 4 moves. That is because the corner piece had the green facing you. Finally, we are going to make sure all the corner pieces are in the correct position and facing. This corner piece should be inserted in between white orange, not orange yellow. First, just park it at the bottom left. Remember to restore the vertical layer. Turn the top layer, look out for orange, white, and the piece to be exchanged. The exchange takes place at the bottom right corner. The first corner piece is fully completed. Turn the top layer and work on the second corner. The above moves might be better visualized by the dream ghost metaphor. Imagine you are at the corner and wanting to be beside yellow and red girls. Now there's a white girl next to you and you just couldn't stand her. You take the lift down and wait in the far corner. The lift goes up again. You wait at the corner. Yellow and red girls are coming by now. You need to kick this dude out. As luck would have it, he takes the lift down. You kick him right to the back and take the lift up. Now you are right beside the yellow-red girls as planned. This next one came from the bottom layer. Just move on. This one is already meshed. Let's move on. Next, this guy needs to get between orange and yellow. Perhaps Dream Girl may help you visualize the moves once more and remember them well. Good luck!